Hi friends, welcome back for a new session. In this session, we will work with bookmarks. They are like some frozen images of your dashboards and then saved, and later you can just go through all of them like you go in a book and flip pages. And you can do that in only one dashboard. You can add as many bookmarks as you want. So, for example, let's start first to show you only the whole process flow, to say so. So it starts everything in step one with the view. We need to go in view, which is in the top bar menu. Then we need to select selection. We will work a lot with selection, where we will hide, unhide items in our dashboard, and then we will add the bookmarks. I have in this picture the first, in fact, only one dashboard that we will use. And as you can see, we have a lot. We have few items like slices, pick, matrix, graph. And once we do some changes, we select some checkbox in our slicers. We can save it as a bookmark. We can also add different graphs or picks behind these items. We can hide them. And then once we show them up, we can save them as a bookmark. And so you can create several bookmarks as we have in this example, bookmark 2, bookmark 3, where we can see different items arranged and different information. And then you can add everything with the view presentation. You can see all these 3 slides in only one dashboard. And that will help more like telling your story of your data in front of your audience. But for exemplification, let's just go in Power BI, where I already have set it up this dashboard. As you can see, we have only one page, and I have in this side, I have my bookmarks which are already created. Just to zoom this a little bit out. And as you can see, I have initial page, Q1 center furniture sales, Q1 center office supplies sales, and profit. So if I go through each of these bookmarks, you'll see that some information will be changed in the background. So let's go for the second one. And you can see that I have now a picture, some uh, slices are checked. I have a graph. Uh, if I go in the third one, another picture, slices are changed. I have a different information in the graph. If I go in the last one, I'm coming back with my matrix and also with another graph where I have the profit. You can also assign bookmarks to pictures, and if you, for example, press Ctrl and click, you can see that I'm coming back to the initial page. You can also add some icons or whatever you want, and then you can assign them bookmarks. Let's start and do this from the scratch. But before that, you can see here that we have a view option. If we click on it, here in the bottom side, you have like this option to go through all these bookmarks while you present the data. So if I click on next, you see that I'm going from one bookmark to the other. So you can do that very easily if you want to explain the story of your data in front of your audience. If I want to get out, I'll just click exit, and now I'm coming back to the initial state. Okay, so let's just delete everything and start from the scratch. So you can see I have different items hidden. Okay, great. And now I can also delete all my bookmarks. And now we can just start. Okay, now we are in Power BI. We have a blank dashboard, one page. And first thing we'll click on view. We will click on selection because we want to see all the items from our dashboard, and we will need to work with this. And also we click on bookmarks and we have the window for bookmarks. As you can see here, we have nothing. In the selection side, we have two items. We have a text, which is here. If I click on it, I will select it directly from the selection. If I want to hide it, I can just click on this icon. It will disappear. If I wanted to see it back, I click again. Now what we will do, we will have to insert a few items in our dashboard in order to create our bookmarks. So first thing that we will do, we'll insert a picture. We go in the image. Here I have 3 pictures. I will take the first one. I will just put it here. And then I will just add a table. For that, I will choose a few items. And I could choose customer segment, maybe region, profit, and sales. So now we have about 4 columns. So we can expand this like that. And maybe we can add another column, product category. This I will put it before region. I will just add a shadow to this table, and now we can also insert a graph, and let's choose for X calendar, and for Y-axis we will choose sales. I will just expand like this. Maybe we can use this view, some labels quickly. Okay, and the second graph which I want to add will be profit view. So basically I will just copy this one, paste it, and I will just add, instead of sales, I will add profit. Where is it? Here. Okay. And I can also change the colors of the column so that we will see easily when we do changes between bookmarks. Instead of blue, maybe I can choose this pink color. Okay, now we have 2 graphs here. We have matrix. What else? We can add also some slicers. So I will choose regions first. Shadow, and now I will just copy it and paste it. And I will, instead of regions, I will choose quarters. If you don't have a calendar like mine, like dates, you can check out my YouTube channel, and I have a session video where I have built this step by step. So it's not that difficult to have it, but it's very useful in any report. And the last slicers, we will add product category. Now let's just switch them. The product category, I think I have 2 items. Yeah, now it's okay. If we want to align this with the same space between slices, we can just press Ctrl and click on all items. And if we go in format, here we have a line and we can say distribute horizontally. And now we have same space between all slices. And also we need to, just notice that whenever I add items on my dashboard, in the selection, I have everything here. So for example, if I click on this image, I have just selected, but I cannot see it because it is behind. Oh, but, or is this one? Yeah, you can see it here. I have only one image now. But when we talk about the graphics, I have this one selected. Then when I click to the other, I cannot see because it is behind. So what I can do, I can just hide this first. Now I can select this one and I can work in the format. I can do whatever I want. So I would suggest you to use the selection feature every time you need. When you have a lot of items, you can just go through this and you can work much easily. I'll put it back. And now, if, for example, I want to add another picture behind the table. So I'm going again in insert image, and I would like to add the picture of this factory first. And I will put it on the same spot with the table. Something like that. And I can also add the third one, the other office, like this. I can also put it in the same spot, like we did with the graphs also. And now I can just select it and send it back. I'm going in format, send back. And now I can choose the next picture. I can also send it back. And now we see only the table. And last thing that we want to do is to add some text. And we can just say, just for the purpose of the exercise, we can say title 1. And we can increase the font size, maybe to 20 or even more. Let's say 32. Choose the font, and I can also put it here in the middle. So once I do that, I can just copy it again and Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and just write title 2. Okay. So now I can see title 2. I want to bring forward the title 1. So I will just select this. I'm going in the format, send back. Now I see title 1. And also I want to send this back again. And have it like this. So I have 2 titles, 2 graphs. I have 2 pictures behind my table, 1 picture here, and 3 slicers. And now we are ready to start with the bookmarks. So the last Okay, so the last thing that I want to do is to insert a shape, a rectangle, and I just want to cover the text. Something like that. I will change the color to white, like the background. So in style we choose white. Also, we don't need the border. And maybe I can cover this also. Just like that. Okay, and I think we are ready to make the first bookmark now, so we'll just click on add. If we have a bookmark one, if we double click on it, we can just rename it and say initial page. And now we want to create a second bookmark, so we want to show some items, to select some items from the slicer. So we'll say quarter one, furniture and central department. And what we want now is to just have a picture with the factory. So in order to do that, we just need to go and check for the table in our selection, which is here. If we click on this icon, we'll hide it. And now we see the picture, but as you can see, it's not on the other one is also visible, so we need to cover it a little bit. We drag like that, expand a little bit the picture, and that's it. And we also want to see the text title one, so we'll just look for the text. But first of all, we need just to take the shape out. So we will just take the shape out, and we see title one. Maybe can expand a little bit like that. And now it's perfect. We can add a new bookmark. So we will say page one. And that's it. And now we want to make the third one. We want to show the profit also. So we can also hide the image, this one, and we want to see this factory picture, and we want to see the other graph. So we look for the second graph, which is here. And we also will uncheck all these slicers, and we will get this image. And also the title 2, we want to see a title 2. So we hide the other text file. This maybe we can expand a little bit. Just like that. And we have the third page ready. So we can also add a new bookmark, and we'll say page 2. And that's it. If we go now in each bookmark, we can see how the image is changed. So this is cool. We can show everything in one slide. If we press on view, you can see here below that we have this feature of navigating to all these pages only by clicking on this next arrow. So when we present data to our audience, we can just click on these arrows and change the image. Okay, another thing, if you want to exit, we can just click exit, and that's it. Another thing that we can do, we can assign to a picture a bookmark. So that is very easily. If we select the picture and then we go in format side on the action, we click on, and then in the type we choose bookmark, and here we have the option to choose any bookmark we want from our list. So I will change the initial one. And now if I hover with the mouse over the picture, we can see Ctrl plus click here to follow the link. So we need to press the Ctrl and click, and then we come to the first bookmark. So if I'm in page 2 and I'm going to press Ctrl and click on this picture, I'm going back to the first bookmark. I think this is all for today. I hope this was useful. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot in the future. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.